Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful crochet sofa cover designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet sofa cover designs. Beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet sofa covers, stylish and trendy sofa covers. Those ladies who love such type of sofa covers, if you want to buy these very beautiful sofa covers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. New designs, new ideas. You can decorate your sofa with beautiful and stylish sofa covers with matching pillow covers, cushion covers, bed sheets. Every design is different and beautiful. Mind-blowing designs and ideas. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet sofa covers? So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.